Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my smart car and I'm going to paint the rims to black color. This is the rear tire and after doing the color, it's looking so beautiful. This is the front, it's looking so nice. It brings the outlook my smart car. And I did have a poster video how to change the color of calipers and the rear drum. This one looking really nice and I will show you the other side. So this is how the wheel look. Once we're going to black out the rim, they're going to look really decent. And after doing the color, it's looking so beautiful. First, we're going to loosen the lug nut. This one required 15mm socket and we're going to crank it open. And the same thing, we're going to do it on the back. Once the lug nuts are loose, now we're going to get a jack and a lift the smart car. So once it's lifted, we're going to remove the wheel. When you take out the wheel, sometimes they are stuck. Just tap it and it will come out. Once we remove the wheel from other side, just tap it with the screwdriver and take the cap off. Make sure that it's nice and clean. We're going to wipe the dust, then we're going to paint it. Once it's nice and clean, I'm using this color. It's a semi-gloss color. Shake the can really well. And once it's nicely shaken, we're going to start the painting, the rim, and we're going to do the first coat, which will be the light coat, so that the paint will stick to the rim. And make sure that you use mask and eye protection when you're painting. And don't paint inside your garage, paint it outside vented air. So this is how it looks. Now we're going to wait for 10 minutes. Pop open the cap. Shake the can really well, and once it's nicely shaken, so this is the first coat and we're going to wait 10 minutes before we're going to apply the second coat. It's been about 15 minutes. All the paint has been dried up and now we're going to start the second coat. We're going to do the heavy coating. Just like this. Once it's nicely painted, now we're going to let it dry. And now we're going to go on the second wheel, same process. So now we're going to let it dry. Once it dried out, then we're going to mount these back. And look at this, already start looking good. Once it's fully dried, now we're going to bring the wheel back. And we're going to put the bolts in. Now we're going to replace the hubcap. Just put it on and just press it. It's looking really beautiful, the black color. As you see that we did the black color, the wheel is nicely dried and we're going to put the bolts back. So that's how it's easy and simple, black out the wheels. So it's looking really nice. And if we look at on the other side, you've seen it. It was so easy and simple to do it. It didn't took me that long, but it brings the outlook of my smart car. The front looks good, the back looks good. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.